Mother's Day is not one day. Father's Day is not one day. In Vedic tradition, that one day will come in annual ceremony when you remember your forefathers and do the Pitrukaryas. These are not Pitrukaryas. Father's Day, Mother's Day, President Day. That I don't bother about President, but Father's Day, Mother's Day, let us not separate it from our life. Every day is Father's Day. Every day is Mother's Day. Every day is Valentine's Day. How can you forget that? How can you not be non-romantic? Srividya is everything. We should be romantic. It should be spiritual. Darshan, I'm talking to you only.
Yes. Talking and good.
So, it's everything. Mother's Day is not one day. Every day you need to thank these mothers around you, that mother, this mother inside. That's why the best way, you want to listen to me? You want to know how to spend Mother's Day? First of all, if your parents are there, instead of saying Happy Mother's Day on WhatsApp and emails, do a perfect namaskaram to your parents, falling on their feet if they are in front of you. Not in front of you, photograph. If you don't photograph, sit quietly and thank that parents who gave birth to you, who gave a share in their life. You should get tears if you think of them. It's the best gratitude you can show. Next, all the male, if you are married, do a namaskaram to your wife. Happy Mother's Day. Because Karyeshu Dasi, Karaneshu Mantri, Bhojeshu Mata, Seneshu Rambha. She is taking care. In a Vedic also, at marriage, the mantra says, let me be your 11th child and let me be your 7th husband. It looks weird to hear.
Mantra we don't know, right?
7th husband, because the girl, from the moment she attains puberty till she's married, she's taken care by 6 energies: Indra, Varuna, Agni, Kubera, and finally Gandharva is the 6th husband. 7th husband is we when we marry that girl. Husband is not in the physical terms. Husband is the actual Bharinchevadu Bharta. Bharta means you need to bear that person's character, person's fear, whatever it may be. You need to bear. Forbearance is not from the wife alone. Forbearance is from the husband. Bharinchevade Bharta. Otherwise you are not husband at all. You are just a bend. Bend, you know, useless wooden piece, that cork-like thing, that's what we call bend. You want to become a bend or a husband? If you're a husband...
Include my husband here. He really needs this.
No, everybody needs it. Don't put down your husband on a Mother's Day. He needs to do namaskaram to you. So...
Okay, the namaskaram part I will definitely tell him.
So, all the husbands do a namaskaram to your wife and thank her. Veda says, when the wife comes, she'll be the mother to you because you'll spend more time with her than with your real mother. You cannot leave mother at any time. Neither that mother, not this mother, or not that mother who gets. The personality changes. The tattva should not change. What happens, what the problem with me is, I'm get stuck with that personality. This is my mother, this is my wife, this is my God. My tattva is changing. All are mothers only. This is my mother who gave birth. This is my mother who is protecting me, who is washing my clothes, who is cooking. I don't know who is cooking in your house, but who is cooking. Whoever is washing the clothes, he is the mother. He is the mother. See that? See how Ambal talks to us, talks through me. He is the mother. There is no gender in that. So, and who is protecting you, looking from there but being inside, is another mother. Ichha Shakti, original mother. Kriya Shakti, wife. Jnana Shakti, goddess mother. These three mothers are with you. Happy Mother's Day. I bow my head to all these three mothers around us.